I make terrible chai.
Oh.
Terrible. It's the worst. Everybody, whether they love me or don't love me, even the internet knows this. She's the only person in my life. If I tell her I'll make chai, she's like, yeah. Even my husband doesn't have it. My parents also will not have the chai I make, but she does. I say this all the time. I said, इतनी बार तो मैं भी अपनी चाय नहीं पीऊंगी जितनी बार ये पी जाती है. I have never met anyone who is a replica of me and I've gotten along with them.
Oh yeah?
Because that's the thing, right? Usually you wouldn't expect someone who's exactly like you to kind of become so close to you.
We've also started acknowledging what our fashion is for ourselves, but it's very similar.
Yeah.
Like a lot of our wardrobe will be similar.
Similar. All the mistakes also that we make in life are similar.
When she would live with her parents and I would visit her as often, they are like my parents to me when my parents are not around. So their numbers on my phone are stored as like that, like
Oh,
as
really?
Baba Koli and Mama Koli.
Aww.
On my phone. Yeah.
Jealousy in friendship.
Yeah, I'll not share her.
Did you say I'll not share her?
Yeah, what? What are you talking?
Possessive much?
Who?
The ring has come off. Mithila, Prajakta, welcome to Ride or Die, my show on friendship. This was an episode waiting to happen, but I just feel the timing couldn't have been better because my math tells me that we're hitting a 10-year milestone
We
here.
are.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. The whole interview we are only going to speak together.
In sync.
But you guys have been friends for 10 years, and this
Yeah.
is a friendship that over the last few years I've just been watching from the sidelines and just felt so happy to see, witness, because it's not often that you see a real friendship in the film industry. And that really is why I wanted to do this show, because there's something so precious and there's a solace to having a friend in the business that I feel is a very different sort of friendship. There's a
Yeah.
different energy, there's a different solace in knowing that someone is dealing with the same beats that you are. And I just want to unpack this with the both of you today on my show, Ride or Die.
Yay.
No, we're so
Let's
happy to be
go.
here.
I think work only gets us together now.
Yeah.
So I mean,
Unless
these
there
things-
was this one week, okay, in the 10 years, there was 1 week somehow where the universe kind of was in our favor and she was also free the whole week. I was also free. That was, I think, the only time we've
Yeah.
met like 4 times in a week.
That's most we've met in 10 years.
in 10 years. But other than that, like, yeah, work.
But I want to start at the beginning. Do
Yeah.
either of you remember the first time you met? Is there a story there? When did you guys meet?
We were shooting, we were doing a photo shoot for Maharashtra Times, the Diwali edition, I think we were doing. And I had known of her obviously because the Cup song had gone viral on Facebook, and then I had
It's been
seen
10 years to that, huh?
it's been a
It's
little
been-
more.
No, it's been 10 years.
10
March
only?
2016,
Ah.
yeah.
So
So
that
you had seen the Cup song.
yes, I had seen it, and by then had you done anything on Filter Copy?
I had done
You
stuff
had.
on Filter Copy.
Because I'd seen that. I think every girlfriend ever was a
Hmm.
video with her and Dhruv, which I'd seen, where Rishank and I had laughed and spoken about a lot. And then when I found out that, oh, I'm going to be doing this with her, we reached the venue and then we were given one like tiny room to get ready in, and really funny outfits and and the photo should be bonded on, I think.
And I can't remember why we were in that room for so long. Like, I feel like they were doing some other shoots.
Yeah,
and then
which
they were-
I think got delayed, so we were waiting.
we were there practically the entire time.
Yeah.
The whole day, I mean. The
Yeah.
whole day. Like, we shot at the end of that day.
Yeah.
And it's just the two of you hadn't met before and
No,
in
so
this
I had
tiny
seen
room.
Her, so her video, one of her videos had gone viral around the same time.
The
what
Delhiites
the things
one.
Delhi people
Yeah,
say.
yeah,
and
yeah.
stuff. So that's why they had gotten us together, and something to do with viral
Queens.
yeah.
Yeah, that.
Yeah. And I recently found that picture and I shared it with her.
Yeah.
like I have it.
You must share it with us as well.
Sure. Yeah.
Why not? It's there. It's out
It's
there.
there, yeah, we'll share that. So that, I think, also us time pe it wasn't like there was some very like path-breaking conversation that happened.
Mm.
I think we just exchanged numbers and we were like, oh, we should like hang again soon and stuff like that. And I think a week or two after that, there was another event happening that I knew that she was going to be at. So I messaged her. She's like, oh my God, yeah, I'm going to be there. I'll see you there. Spoke then. A couple of weeks after that, she messaged me saying, I heard that you're going to be here. So work kind of got us together from the word go. And then it just, then after that, it's just been like, it's almost like it feels like it's more than 10 years because I don't ever remember a day where anything was like an effort or it was like, okay, we're trying to make this friendship happen.
Do you remember your first impressions of each other and how wrong were you now that you're 10 years in? Any first impressions of each other?
I actually don't remember anything specific.
Me
I
neither.
just remember we just talked the whole day.
Yeah.
We just talked.
Yeah.
That's all it took. They just put us in a tiny room and then we spent many hours in that room
Just talking.
just talking.
Yeah.
We spoke about food and how we like crabs, all of that I remember.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
seafood, how much we like seafood.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it. That's it.
I think that was it. I don't think I just remember feeling like, oh, like,
yeah, fun.
yeah, this was fun. This was a fun day. And we got through a very awkward photo shoot. I mean, I'm very awkward at photo shoots. She's a lot better than I am even
But
today.
back then, even I
But
was
she was
awkward because
also,
we were
yeah.
both very new to this, right?
Yeah.
Like to be put on magazines and
Mhm.
like in newspapers and all. It was at least new for me, and I know it was. She was also
Yeah.
starting out at the same time, so
तो उसमें
it
थोड़ी
was-
सी bonding हो गई, I
हाँ,
think.
basically, and those clothes were not exactly.
Vibing.
We'll show the photo to you, na? You'll know.
But you talked about obviously like meeting each other at events and stuff like that. And I can imagine how unnerving that is when you're starting out, you're getting called to these events, you know you have to show up, you don't know if you'll know people in there. What is it like to know that there'll be that one familiar face that you can then just reach out to?
It's great. It's very comforting. In fact, every time, and back then there used to be a lot of those. They still
Still are.
happen. I think now we
Don't
We
go
just
to
don't
as
go.
many.
we don't go to as many. But back then, like lots of brands used to invite us to
And
just like.
I guess it was important also to then
And
put
back then,
yourself
yes,
out there.
definitely,
Yeah.
because we were both just starting out,
Starting
and we
off.
didn't know what the best way forward was. So we were like, okay, maybe this is it, and then we explore that together,
Yeah.
kind of a thing. So then there was that to like kind of get into an unknown realm with someone who you're comfortable with. And there have been times where I have gotten an email from a brand saying, okay, this event is happening in Delhi. Immediately I have written to her saying, have you been invited? And she's like, oh my god, yeah.
Now it's fine, I can go.
Yeah.
And we've not spoken to our managers.
We
been
have
like,
decided we
have
are going.
decided. So after a point, we had to kind of realize that, okay, there is that system in place where we have to let them know there's a calendar.
Yeah.
How would the two of you describe this friendship? Like, is there a friend's analogy? Who's the Rachel to your Monica? What kind of friendship do the two of you share?
You know, I've always said this. I have never met anyone who is a replica of me and I've gotten along with them.
Oh yeah,
Because that's the thing, right? Usually you wouldn't expect someone
opposites
who's
attract
exactly
and
like
all
you
of that. Yeah.
to kind of become so close to you. Either we are so obsessed with ourselves that we love this. But I don't know what it is, honestly. I genuinely think whatever it is that our souls have I'll do that again. It's a Wuthering Heights reference.
You watched it over, Tracy.
I watched it. Whatever it is that our souls are made of, his and mine is the same, is what she says. But that's the most I've related to a line, honestly, in a very.
And you feel that way.
I think so. We are
Yeah.
we are the
It's
same
uncanny.
person, and it's not just us telling us this. Yesterday, where was I? I was with I messaged you about two people.
Hmm.
I was with them day before yesterday. And while I was speaking, she has worked with them before. While I was speaking, they immediately went, oh my God, it sounded like Mithila was sitting here for a second. I said,
Yeah, but that happens with us a lot. Like if there are people who've worked with her and then have met me, then they're like, oh my god, you're totally Prajakta. And
Yeah.
then vice versa.
yeah,
Like I'd worked with Akash before on Karwa
Mhm.
and then she worked with him on Mismatched. And
mismatched.
same thing. Like he said that to her.
It's like, so
But do
it's-
you see that as well? The energies being so similar.
We do. Like, I remember for the longest time when both Mitz and I, we were working a lot. What we would do is the only time we would get to spend each other is I would call her and be like, okay, I'm going to come stay at yours tonight. So we would finish work at like late, have dinner, and then like stay up all night catching up each other on each other's life. Ki, oh my God, this happened, this happened, this happened. And in the morning, we would leave for work. So I remember this one time, it's a very simple thing. But there was a series of things that we kind of went about. It sounds very creepy, but there's a series of things we went about in our morning routine that were like mirror images of each other. Ki chai kaisi banai, kaun se haath mein chai ka cup liya, jaake baithe. The number of times we'll say the same thing at the same time. It's almost creepy at this point, and I don't say that for effect at all. But I think I've just come to realize that she is very much an extension of who I am, and I feel like I am that for her. So I didn't expect to be so close to someone who was exactly like me, but for some weird reason that works for us.
It does. And in fact, I feel like now we've also started acknowledging what our fashion is for ourselves, but it's very similar.
Yeah.
Like a lot of our wardrobe will be similar.
All the mistakes also that we make in life are similar.
That is true.
That we have over the past decade.
Or then we'll buy something for ourselves and be like, which by the way, I've gotten a pair of jeans for you, it's not come.
Oh, again?
So sweet.
Again,
Oh, no, we had
it's
spoken
still-
about it.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's still on the way. Not from the brand I told you about.
Oh,
but
the
I
other
saw
one.
something and I was like, I want this, then I'll get
But
one
this
more.
is the brand you told me about.
Oh.
So you're
So smart we've
Yeah.
become. है ना?
Yeah. No, but
ऐसे integrate नहीं करते हम.
मुफ्त में मैं आज सुबह ही करके आई हूँ एक but a lot of these things like little things and I feel like
little things.
like I feel like also for me growing up I also think that we met each other at a very important
Time and
age.
phase.
You know, we
yes.
were like we've spent all our 20s together, and this is like a very formative time where you know कि अच्छा ये अगर relationship बन रहा है तो it's gonna stay for life. ये आप कितना भी कोशिश कर लो नहीं बना तो नहीं बनेगा. So I think that's also where we met. Like, but little things where even when we're not in touch for months or weeks, I know that every now and then I'll send her a voice note. She'll send me a voice note with what's happening, what's not happening. So I think it's been, touch wood, beautiful.
Have you discovered what each other's love language is? Is that also the same?
Hers is definitely music. Anything
Hers
to do
is
with
gifting.
music. Yeah.
Yeah.
Matlab, as in what she does for me is that.
Yeah.
Like she gifts,
Yeah.
gets stuff all the time. Then it can be anything. Can
Yeah.
be a fragrance she's wearing also. Like she's
Yeah.
like, this is something. I actually remember once she gifted me a fragrance and said, I don't share the same fragrance with
With anybody.
anyone else, but I wanted to gift it to you.
Then she did the same.
And then
recently.
then I thought of her when I was buying one
Yeah.
fragrance. So then I got her the same. But things like that, like I think that's her love language.
Yeah.
I want to talk a little bit emo territory now.
Oh, please.
When was the time you leaned on this friendship the most, and how did it serve you? A time in each of your lives when you really sort of leaned in on this friendship?
Multiple times.
I to feel like all the time.
all the time, I think. It's
I feel like it's never a moment or anything of the sort. It feels like it's a thing of like go by the feels. Like today I'm feeling like, oh, I need Prajakta to hear me out, and then either it's a voice note or it's a video call.
Yeah.
Like we have to see each other.
Okay.
And because of our work, it's almost like impossible to match calendars because she's traveling, I'm traveling. The few days that we are in Mumbai, we have our own stuff to do.
Yeah.
So we video call and try and do as many FaceTimes as we can if we've not seen each other. But like every happy and whatever low moment has been shared with her. Like it feels like, oh my God, I found out about someone, and then I'm like, I
You
have
need
to
to pick
tell
up
you.
the
I
phone.
have to send you.
Everything.
So it's everything. I don't think there's a like I can't think of like a moment where I specifically remember that, oh, this is the time that I have to call Prajakta.
Yeah.
It's
No,
every
but was there a
emotion.
time in life where she was really there for you, like showed up as a
All
friend?
the time. It's all the time. I feel like I don't think there will ever be a time where I call her and she's not available. And whatever capacity that I need her to be in. Even if it's just about just hear me out, she will be there. And we have had those, we've been overwhelmed on sets, respective sets, and we are like, okay,
And we've called each
yeah,
other.
like just
We've
I wanna
complained,
chat.
we've been angry, we've been sad, disappointed, either way. And I think same, by the way. I can't even like, I can think of multiple occasions when she's done that for me. Uh, I also think that sometimes just knowing that you have someone in your corner with absolutely no hang-ups, with no judgment, there is, at this point, there is nothing that I can not talk to her about, or that I'll feel a little bit like, oh my God, I'm a little worried after tell this to Mitz. It's never that. I mean, I have gone through my worst days and I've called her laughing and said, oh my God, I did this. And she's like, what? And it's been great. So I think it's so comfortable. And I don't think any of that is kind of deliberately worked on, or none of that kind of comes from like knowing that maybe this is the kind of friendship we want to build.
But
Yeah,
how
I feel like everything has been
Very,
very easy.
Yeah.
Like it's flowed on its own. I don't think there has ever been a plan. My conscious thing to do moving forward, and I have spoken to her about it, is that if there's ever a miscommunication or sorts, I want to talk to her first.
Yeah.
Because you never know what you hear about each other, or like professionally especially, it's I have heard this, that because we are so similar, we are pitted against each other. And I never want that to come in the way
Yeah.
ever.
Yeah.
So we have discussed we discussed numbers, we
Auditions,
are not,
projects,
auditions, we are not
brands,
very shy of
everything.
like ये information मैं इनको नहीं बताऊंगी,
Yeah.
वो कभी ये filter कभी था ही नहीं हम दोनों के बीच में. And moving forward, I would want that to continue, because we never know, like we can go in our own directions and then we find out about something,
Yeah.
that we are like, oh, you said this, oh, you did this, kind of a thing. Like we never want that to be.
a thing.
Yeah, that was actually my next question about just careers. And without beating around the bush, the truth is that you could possibly audition for
We do.
similar
We
roles.
have.
Yeah.
So many times.
We do.
So
yeah.
what are the rules of engagement there? Like, how does it really pan out?
We are happy for whoever gets it now.
Yeah, we are. And
It's-
it sounds so like, oh, so media trained guys. Like
But we
so
are coming from a generation where we were told that दो actresses कभी दोस्त नहीं बन
नहीं हो
सकते, and then
सकते.
here we are.
No, in fact, there are multiple projects that we both auditioned for. So some she ended up doing, some I ended up doing, and then eventually it just came to one. I also don't think we're the kind of people individually also. Even
Yeah.
if you look at us individually, irrespective of this friendship, independent of this friendship, I don't think Mitz is a person who would ever go down a route saying, oh my God, like I tested for this, why did she get it? I don't think she's that person. So,
and vice versa.
yeah.
So in fact, we've discussed the projects that we've both auditioned
Yeah.
for, and she's gotten them or I've gotten them.
yeah.
And we are here to be cheerleaders for each other. So it's a happy thing only if
Yeah.
she gets it. It's the same thing.
It's a similar.
yeah,
घर में तो
Yeah,
रहेगा.
घर में होगा.
that's true.
Yeah.
But jealousy in friendship, is that something that you think about? Let's discuss that a little bit. How
Yeah,
do
I'll
you,
not
if you
share
have
her.
feelings of envy or jealousy? Did you say I'll not share her?
Yeah, what? What are you talking?
Possessive much?
Who? Who?
The ring has come off.
But Bichara, he's gotten stuck between us.
He really has. In fact, there are people who actually ask us in our DMs and stuff if we are really married, because we call each other wifey. Which
And that was
something-
like a thing that started so many years ago.
Oh,
People
people
started
thought
calling
you
each
were
other
really-
that.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes. People
Sweet.
actually ask us that.
Yeah,
like,
a
you
lot
really
of
look like.
It's
So
either
I think this
siblings
is
or
that-
life partner.
Yeah. This is that kind of a relationship. It's a forever kind only.
Yeah.
Like it's like you whatever you want to make of it.
But
Open to interpretation.
You did get married to poor Vishant last year. But today we are not talking about him.
No, we're
It is
not,
about
we're
Mithila.
Okay.
And it really is about having your girlfriends at your wedding, because it was so beautiful to see you among so many other friends come together. What was that like for you to just be surrounded by so much love from your girlfriends?
It was it's a wing in my life that supports everything else I do. Honestly, I go back to my girlfriends all the time. I go to Mitz, I'll go to Mao, I will go to Nishu, who's a boy but is very much my girlfriend. time and again, and these have been my solid support systems. Like, I feel so grateful for the fact now. Most of my friends have been with me since I was a toddler. Like, and I
Wow.
don't have a lot of friends. Like Ginchun, and it's similar with her. Like, her entire friend groups are either school friends
Yeah.
or college friends. The latest additions that have happened in my girlfriends is first Mithila and then very recently Mansi. And I knew that the two of them would also kind of like get along.
So you
now
mix
it's a
groups.
funny, yeah.
Oh, that we do all the time. She comes
Yeah,
for
I-
all my like Diwali gatherings.
Like, her
or
school friends are chill. I hang out
Yeah.
with them all the time.
my birthdays.
Yeah.
she's
We were
here.
there now. For when did you? When
Birthday
did we
only.
do? Birthday. Board
Ah.
night, board game night. That was fun. So,
So your wedding.
so my wedding. Forgot only. I was like, what
Yeah,
was
what were
this
we
question?
talking
Rishank,
about?
remember?
Who? It was amazing. I remember she was one of the first people I called when we had a date in place. I said, because she knew, obviously, she knew that we are going to get engaged because Roshank did a bad job at
Oh yeah, that I found. Yeah, that
Yeah.
she told me about.
being nervous.
Like she knew he was going to propose.
Yeah,
Basically.
100%. And I told her, I said, okay,
You
this
did your
is
nails
happening.
and everything.
But see, that everybody thinks that, but my
her
nails are always done.
Okay.
Like, this is
It's
one
me
thing.
who is lazy about
Yeah,
it.
when her nails are done, I'm like, me? What's the occasion?
And it's always work.
Yeah.
But
But so she knew, she was the first person, I think, her.
So you called her and said, I know he's
No,
going
we
to
were on a
Before
drive.
going only, I told
no,
her.
we went on a drive. I had gone to stay with her. I remember this also.
And then you were going to go to Australia.
Yeah. So we
Hmm.
were, and she was going to go to the US for her work, and then they were going to hang around. And she suspected definitely that this is going to happen there. So
Yeah.
I remember we were in Thane and we were doing just
Just
driving around, and she was like, "Oh, by the way, I have a feeling this is going to happen."
Yeah. So she knew that when the date got fixed, she knew that. She was updated with everything. When I was waiting to walk down the aisle, Mrs. come running up a hill in her lehenga.
It's a ridiculous story because I obviously Mansi, the girl she spoke about, and so Mansi and I did get along. Obviously,
Mansi does your makeup
She
as well,
does,
right?
Yeah, hair
Yes.
and makeup.
and yeah, she has also been told that she and I are similar, and she has been told. So it makes sense, right? Like by
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
virtue of relativity,
Yeah.
we are all similar. So Mansi had told me, "Don't worry, just take your time, get ready, and come, and I'll keep you posted," because she was with her.
Uh-huh.
So she was like, "I'll keep you posted on the timelines of things." So I was like, "Okay, cool. So I'm getting ready. And then I'm like, "Okay, fine, okay." Like Mansi is letting me know that, okay, now she's here, now she's there, now she's in like backstage of
Uh-huh.
sorts, of whatever the backstage was. And I said, "Okay, cool." And then at one point, Mansi said, "Look, relax." And I was running late, obviously, while all this is happening. And she was like, "Relax. If nothing, I'll call you on a video. So you're not going to miss it." And then I was like, "But I'm right here." And to that, my immediate response was, yeah, okay, cool. Like, I don't want to miss her walking down the aisle. And I was like, why am I seeing this on a video call? I am right here. Like, there is no way that I can miss Prajakta walking down the aisle in person. So I have run
She's run up a hill.
up a hill with like my lehenga, and like it was a
It was a whole thing. But she didn't
Movie
miss it. She
scene.
made it.
I didn't miss it.
So it was great, even when that stupid dance I did, which honestly, so it was a strict policy of not shooting and posting anything from the wedding. And I was many mimosas down when I went on stage that day. It was our Sangeet. And she had no clue. Mansi, Malika, neither of them had a clue. I've gone on stage, I've called them, they've gone along with it, Lord knows how.
Oh, this was not like...
No!
Oh!
Off stage, she was like, "This is what you'll do when this line happens."
Yeah, I said, just
That's
do this.
Just
And
do.
they've come and it was amazing. It was such a party. We had such a good
Oh, it was
time.
such a good wedding. Yeah.
It was fun.
How does marriage impact friendships?
एक तो she's been dating him since ये वो तो हमेशा से ही
Yeah.
third wheel था ना.
He's the third
मतलब
wheel of
मैं
course.
actually बाद में आई हूँ उसके life में, लेकिन whatever. Just
I
so you
don't
know.
think there's any kind of farak जो कुछ नहीं पड़ा है. I think it's just easier. I've moved closer to her now than I was before.
Hallelujah.
Yeah. At least now I know that I'm not an hour and a half away from her. If I absolutely have to go see her, I'll be there in 20-25 minutes max. So that's great. Also, I think Vishank has kind of picked up on it over the past decade, where he will nicely come sit for 10 minutes, have his small talk, and then he'll only get up and go.
But can I say that, I mean, I know you, like, this is about us and not Vishank, but I do want to mention that she and I have not taken any trip together, first of all.
Yeah.
No way.
In 10 years, the trips we've taken are for the events
Work
that we've been
trips, yeah.
invited to. So that's really something that we need to.
That was one of my questions.
We need to
What the
correct in
hell?
this decade.
There, yeah. We
But
do.
Vishank and I plan more trips together, which still haven't happened.
I won't be surprised if they do, though.
But we plan more trips together because we like to do a lot of similar things, because music is something that's very common for both of us. So we were like, we had planned an Eric Clapton, when Eric Clapton was touring, going to tour.
Mhm.
We were like, okay, we have to go. But
So
one of
you
the
found
things,
a new friendship there
I
as well.
found a new friendship there. Yeah, that I do. I mean, I know that we tease him about being the third wheel, but he's a sweet guy, and
That's
and
true.
he's it's been
It's been a
collective friendship.
unit, yeah.
Yeah.
But are you also a good wing woman for?
She tries, but I'm
I
Mithila here.
try.
I'm a
I don't think the
hopeless-
problem is in me.
I'm a hopeless person.
I feel like
Yeah, there have been times when I have panicked and I'm like, oh my god, this guy is talking to me, and oh my god, maybe I have to meet him. What do I do now? I'm
Maybe I
panicking.
have to meet him.
Maybe I'll consider.
this is
meeting
one
him.
100-year-old woman trapped in this very young and hot body. No, that is
So
the
Yeah,
brain
and I
is.
was in Bali at a friend's bachelorette, and I was potentially going to meet someone, but मैं पहले ही panic कर लेती हूँ, तो मिलना होता
you
नहीं
don't
है.
reach the meeting
हाँ,
only.
पहले ही मैं
Then
मेरा
I
सारा-
hear about it later.
But I have panicked to her. Like, I remember sending a long text saying, I don't know.
What is the issue here?
I'm telling you, no, she is one. She's one old school poetess stuck in today's time. So with her, I have to also always have to dial down a little bit. Where I'm like,
Calm down.
yeah, like let's cross that bridge when we get there,
to
and that
it.
bridge is like 5,000 miles away right now. Like, how about you just have coffee?
Yeah. She has to, like,
I'll
okay,
sit on the next
let's
table.
start with this. Yeah.
Yeah, I said start with this. Like,
Then don't meet
Yeah.
again, but at least, like, start. So,
Yeah.
she has to, she's polite.
most times. But no, I mean, also the thing is that I am extremely protective of her.
I was just going to say.
Yeah, so I just, like, as someone that I know inside out, and I know I know what her reaction to hurt has been like in the past, and I can predict sometimes how it could be. So then that is another thing that kind of also might make me a slightly bad wing woman, because I'm just like, no, not him, not good vibes. I'm that.
And you
sometimes.
trust the vibes.
Yeah. Fully. But as am I, like, I am also protective about her, because I feel like she has a very innocent tendency of being very, very vulnerable with everybody.
Oh.
So, like, she trusts very quickly.
Yeah, that's true. That is a
So I'm like, stop.
yeah. That's not good in our industry.
That's what I was
Trusting-
going to
Yeah.
say.
Yeah, opening up too much to too many people. I learned it the hard way, but I learned it now. Now I'm good. I think.
Better, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's talk trauma bonding. What do we share in our sessions?
Everything.
Bad clothes that we were made to wear.
Began only there.
That was
Haircuts?
trauma bonding. To begin with.
Haircuts? No.
No. Heck, we've been okay about that. No, just generally, we are actually both people who, like, both of us, she more than I, actually. She trusts people very quickly. I also sometimes kind of falter in terms of my judgment of people. Generally, I'm very, 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 like, guards very high up. But there are times where I'm like, no, but ye to apne hai na, to, and then we've been hurt
Yeah.
in certain instances. So
Yeah, we bonded on that a
we
lot.
bonded on that.
On everything. I think a lot of times, even if it's something that I feel like she must have not gone through, so she might not know how to help me through this, but just having someone sitting there patiently listening to what I have to say,
Yeah.
I think that also makes a huge difference for me. I think that is also where a lot of the comfort in our relationship lies, where I'm like, okay, it's fine. You know, it's okay if you don't have a solution for me here. And that's what she says. She's like, it's fine. Just tell me what it is. We'll figure it out together, even if we don't know exactly what we want to do right now. And I feel like, which is why these friendships for me is where everything stands. Like, this is what kind of, these are the pillars for everything I get to do in life, because someone like her really helps me navigating everything beyond work also.
Yeah. Well, I was going to ask you about your most fun travel story, but clearly there hasn't been a trip. I mean, shame on the both of you,
Shame
really.
on us.
Truly. There-
100%.
But there is, we can tell you where, and you guys can also hold us accountable for it eventually.
Mm-hmm.
That so she and I love Anne Frank's diary,
the book.
So you want to visit the
and
home?
that is something we wanted to do together. In fact, Vishank and she had gone once. It was a very random, last minute planned trip that
How
they were like,
dare
"Okay,
you?
we had no. I'm finishing." So I willed for it to not happen.
You sent all those children with their picnic tickets.
So she went with Vishank, and it was like, I think they were she was traveling for work, and then it was just like कि हम
Like an
जाकर आ
extension,
जाते
हाँ.
यही हैं तो जाकर आ जाते, तो वो लोग गए थे,
नहीं,
And-
मिले नहीं थे लेकिन हमको
but
tickets.
tickets नहीं मिले थे उन्हें, and I was very livid that you even dared to think about this without me, and it didn't happen. So I guess we
So
are
I think
destined to
it's-
go
the
there.
it's
friendship
gonna
is
happen with
strong.
her. I think this year, Mitch. I think
This
this year is when we need to make it happen. I have a 3-year visa now.
I don't, but sure.
You'll get it.
Okay.
Huh,
But-
we've said it here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
we've
year,
said it.
I
We've-
think
Now
the
we will
trip
hold
to
you
Amsterdam.
accountable in the comments 1 year from today.
Yeah.
Done. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, it's
Yeah,
such an like, oh, girls trip to Amsterdam. We're gonna go sit in the museum.
Yeah, my God.
Because
look
when
at us.
I said Amsterdam, Rashank's like, "Ooh, you're planning a trip to Amsterdam? I want to come." I said, "No." I said, because everything we do is nothing that is going to be fun for you.
What do the both of
He's
you
allowed.
fight about?
We don't fight. We
We've
fought
not
or what?
fought. I don't think we've. No,
Kuch
we've
to
never
hoga.
fought. We
What
never
what
fought.
irks
I
you
just remember
about the
there
other?
was this one incident where there was miscommunication from my side on something. Again, I think that got lost in the pool of work.
Yeah, because there are things that there are some brands or some like whatever agencies that want to do things
with the both
us.
of you. Hmm.
But there are certain protocols that need to be followed, and sometimes it's taken for granted that Prajakta के साथ अगर हम पहले बात करें तो प्राजक्ता मिथिला के साथ बात कर
कर ही लेगी,
or
figure
the
out
other
कर
way
ही,
around,
yeah.
like they will figure it out, but that's not how professionally generally that's
Should
not how
happen.
it works. And
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
she has an
absolutely.
agency, I have an agency, so sometimes like
It's assumed that
it's
you're a package deal.
assumed, yeah, it's assumed that we are together, तो ये तो कर लेंगे type of
Yeah.
a thing.
So we
Hmm.
got into situations recently where I assumed that they must have already told
Yeah.
her.
And they
assumed that
assumed-
I must have told her. So nobody actually communicated it to her, and I went ahead with the work that I was supposed to do. So I remember that was definitely a faltering.
But it was not
in-
a fight. It
Yeah, it
was
wasn't a
like I
fight,
said, like
yeah.
it was just one of those moments where I'm like, you know what? I need to clear it out from my
Yeah.
side that nobody came back to us.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And that is why this has not happened. So if there is some other information that has gone to you, I want to make
Clear
sure that
it. Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है.
But other than that, no.
So
we've
there's no
not.
fight. There's just been that maybe.
Yeah. There's been a couple of times when we've had to like be stern with each other to just like very recently I went through something and I told her and she was just like, shut up. Like, I'm done with this. Like, I'm sorry.
That's
but
important to be
like,
able
yeah.
to call each other out.
Yeah, she's like, this is wrong and you need to shut up and sit down and listen to me. And I feel like that is also important.
But in
very
terms of work
important.
also we are like that. Like
Yeah.
I have done some things. She's like, what? Like she's called me to tell me, what
Were you thinking?
what were you thinking?
Yeah.
Why have you done this?
Yeah. But other than that, no. I think, again, there has never been a time where I'm like, oh, मैं शायद ये बोल नहीं सकती, or maybe I can't discuss this with her. I really hope she doesn't feel bad. I really hope, I don't know how she's going to react to this. I don't think we've held that against each other ever. We've always been like, जो भी है बात कर लो. And I think both of us find a lot of closure in just communicating. We talk a lot. So we
we
just
do.
find that to be the best way to kind of deal with everything, where we will always talk, whatever it is, even if it's a doubt, even if it's a question, whatever it is, we'll always talk about it and get it out of the way.
But how does one get to this place of comfort? Because many times our school friends, you've literally grown up together, there's that nostalgia and therefore that lack of judgment. But when you meet someone slightly later in life, it's an adult friendship for
Yeah.
sure, it takes work. How did you guys get to this place of no judgment?
I think it helped for us to meet at a very vulnerable time in our careers. Life तो ठीक है मतलब yeah we were younger than what we are now, and so that's why also uh, because we were in our early 20s we were vulnerable. But even in an industry that was so unknown to both of us, we
Yeah.
didn't know what path we were going to take here on. Even though today she's an actor, her beginning was different. Even though today I'm an actor, my beginning was
Yeah.
different. So we had to kind of hold on to each other to tell each other that okay, we'll explore and we'll falter, but we'll be there to hold each other. And I
That's
feel
so
like
reassuring, no?
that
Early on
helped.
to have
I
Yeah.
that.
think so.
Yeah.
Also, it can get a little scary, this world of just like trying newer things, and you constantly meeting so many new people. I think both of us went through similar things and realized कि अच्छा चलो सबसे दोस्ती करने की जरूरत नहीं
नहीं
है.
है.
It's okay. Sometimes you meet someone at work and that's that. You come back and you go back to your life of friends and relationships, and that's okay. But we had to go through enough experiences for us to know कि अच्छा okay, this is
Real.
real, and that is not necessarily what we thought it is, and that's okay.
Yeah.
So eventually it's nice to kind of have a system where if and when things get overwhelming, you know that someone's going to be there to get where you're coming from.
Yeah, and we don't have to say much. We just
Yeah.
know exactly what she, like I know exactly what she means when she says certain things or doesn't even say them. And that was a hard learning for both of us, where we went on a project and like a long form project, because you're working on it for so long and then you're assuming that ye to lifetime friendship hai. And then that kind of you have to dial down from that, that
Yeah.
you know everybody has their lives and everybody is going to move on. There's no malice or
Yeah,
anything.
and that's okay.
But the fact that अरे लेकिन हमारी दोस्ती ऐसे नहीं टिकी, तो they like from
Yeah.
that you kind of start feeling sad and you're like, oh but on set though it felt like, you know, we are going to be friends.
Yeah.
And it's not like once we meet those people it's
It's
fun.
back to
fine.
like, yeah.
But that this kind of a thing doesn't happen on every set
Yeah.
is what it was a hard truth for us to kind of realize.
Make peace with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's also what makes it beautiful, na? If every second friendship was the
Correct.
वो
same,
तो
then
है, हाँ.
True.
yeah.
But we are also like, oh my god, I love you so much kind of people, na.
Yeah, a little bit.
So थोड़ा extra है हम दोनों.
Yeah, it's little
So, and we are the same person.
Yeah.
Correct,
So
as
then-
we now know.
I
Yeah.
remember I was once shooting with Abhay dude. And I've
Yes.
been a huge fan of his, and I was so excited for that. And but how did that thing go where he said, "Oh, there's 3 of you"?
So it was right after her wedding, and at the wedding a lot of people had told Mansi and I also, like ये तो मैंने सुना ही है कि you all like Prajakta, but Mansi के बारे में मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि तुम लोग इतने similar दिखते हो. एक फोटो हमने डाली थी एक साथ, and people are like, oh my god, you look like sisters and all of that. So this was fresh out of after her wedding.
Yeah.
And she was doing some podcast or something with Abhay, and Abhay and I have worked together.
Of course,
and
that's
he's
when we
chopsticks.
met for
Yes,
chopsticks.
that's right. And Abhay actually is one of a person I can call a friend. He's not
Nice.
somebody I talk to often at all, but I
Yeah.
know he's somebody I can pick up the phone.
But
on.
he's so cool, dude.
He's very cool.
Oh my god.
So he texted me saying that I met basically your version, you.
Yeah.
Again, like I met somebody who reminded me of her, or something of that sort, he said. So I was like, who? Mansi?
Oh.
And he was like, what? There are
There are
3
three?
of you?
He's like, I meant Prajakta.
Wow. But listen, when the both of you lead such public lives, does there have to be a discussion over what is not for the cameras, what is safe?
That's also understood. That is also understood.
Most things are not for the cameras.
Oh, yeah?
I think. Yeah, I don't think so. I mean, as much as we bonded over oversharing and kind of just like opening our heart out to each other. I think we're also a lot older now, so we've reached that point where we know what's for us and it's going to stay for us always, and what we can kind of share. She's also been a fairly private person in her life, but she's been on the internet for so
Yeah,
long, and
you guys
everybody's
grew up on the internet.
yeah, and same with me, where this comes to me so often, where they're like, how do you draw the line between personal and professional? And I was like, I think वो थोड़े से एक वो training as people who grew
हो
up
ही जाती
at that,
है.
वो हो ही गई थी कि we choose how much we want to share in either ways, whatever. And I think that was again understood, because like another thing that I loved about us was that उस टाइम पे ये बहुत ज्यादा होता था that every time you would meet somebody, you would share about it.
You'd post
You
about
would post
it.
about
Yeah,
it and be like,
yeah,
oh my god,
yeah.
so fun hanging. And no hate to that, honestly, because I did that for a very long
Yeah.
time. With her, every time we met, we have absolutely
Not touched your phone.
yeah, never gone to our phones. We have no pictures with
Yeah.
each other.
Yeah.
We
Especially in
rarely-
the recent
Yeah.
past.
We
that
rarely
forget.
have any pictures together. वो thought ही नहीं आता है दिमाग
To
में.
show that I met.
Or to even think कि okay, maybe I should click a picture to post later or to like keep. It's never that. Like we'll always talk like, why don't we have any pictures together? So again, that's a might sound like a shallow measure, but in today's time and age, with the way that we grew up, I think it says,
It
a,
says
lot
a lot.
personally to us.
Yeah. And that's actually some of the most real friendships,
Yeah.
right? That you're not actually going for your
हाँ,
phone to
मतलब
like.
it's not happening. It's never happened like that. Even when I used to do that with everybody. So the whole sharing bit, I don't think it's ever been a discussion that we've had.
No, I don't think so. In fact, all our reels also, if we post anything, it's been very spontaneous. Like I remember I just moved into my house and she was like, I'm gonna come over
The
and
dance
stay.
reel.
Yeah, the dance reel. We were like, kare kya kuch time pass. We
And
were
the
having
friends
breakfast.
or the new house. हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ, new house. And then and we were like, okay, chalo karte hain. Kya kare? हाँ, okay. We scrolled. We were like, hey, I want to try this choreography. And she was like, yeah, even I want to try it. That's it. That's it. It's not like we have sat with somebody else shooting us. वो भी हमने ढूंढा है कि
Your
कहाँ
followers
रखे.
and
It's a
my
very bad
followers and
angle.
viral the viral queens. Excuse
Viral
me.
queens. That is correct.
So yeah, so it's never like, even if we do shoot anything together, post anything together, it's very like by the feels. कि
Yeah.
अभी feel हो रहा है ये करे तो कर
Let's do
लेते,
it.
नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं करते. So it's, and what I also love about our friendship is that I don't live with my parents, that everybody knows. And when she would live with her parents and I would visit her as often, they are like my parents to me when my parents are not around. So their numbers on my phone are stored as like that, like
Oh,
as
really?
Baba Koli and Mama Koli
Aw.
on my phone. Yeah,
And they're so fond of her, honestly.
yeah, she sends me
It's-
food.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's amazing. Their relationship is beautiful. So for me, she's been such a organic, natural fit into every aspect of my life that there is never, not a single day has felt like effort with her where I'm like, oh no,
I need to do
I need to
this.
do this so that, It's never been that. I mean, there are days when I have troubled her saying, I'm coming today. I'm going to see, and I've seen her as often as I could. And then there were days where I'm like, I know I promised I'm going to see you, but I cannot see
Yeah.
you today. I know I promised that today, but like multiple cancellations done, multiple things. But because she gets it and she knows that there is absolutely no other reason for this, I think, and that has come from just communicating everything.
And
It's
also understanding
understanding
how
the-
the
Exactly.
industry
Yeah, yeah,
works.
yeah.
That
Yeah.
you
And
may
it's
want
a
to,
very
but backup
easy-
happened
Yeah.
really late and
Nahi
you
ho
couldn't
paya.
make it. Yeah.
So like all these things, we've never gotten to a point of me having to explain anything to her, or even the other way around, where I've. So I think that's what the whole ease of this just comes from, just being very, very similar to each other.
And how do you keep it real in an industry that thrives on performative friendships? Because we know that there are so many.
Arey, we
of
don't
those.
know any other way.
What to do? What to do? Tell us.
You tell us. Before you finish your question only, I was like,
You, what should we do? Sneha, you've been
How to
around.
perform.
How to do this?
my God.
But
We
there's
talk about them. We're like, not real. I don't think that's true.
we do.
what is the most fun thing about this friendship? What is it that you love the most? What is a fun day in a Prajakta Mithila date like?
Food,
Naps.
naps. If she makes coffee, cold coffee for me in her house.
Cole, you know what's so beautiful about her? I make terrible chai.
Oh.
Terrible. It's the worst. Everybody, whether they love me or don't love me. Even the internet knows this. I've spoken about this. मैंने बोला है कि मैं चाय कैसे बनाऊं. मुझे बहुत पसंद है वैसी चाय.
अच्छा.
But हर किसी ने बोला कि इससे तो पियो ही मत, इससे तो बनाओ ही मत. Everybody tells me, like love you and all, but like
Not your
terrible chai. Don't make chai. She's the only person in my life. If I tell her I'll make chai, she's like, yeah. And then she'll have it also. And she always says, she's like, I don't care how you make it, just because you made it, I'll have it. Even my husband doesn't have it. My parents also will not have the chai I make, but she does.
Because when somebody's making it for you, that's a privilege in itself. Like, that's a love language for me, actually. A
That's
lot
true.
of my friends have come over, and I am not. Literally, yesterday I was discussing this with my school friends who are practically living in my house every day. And yesterday evening, again, there were a couple of them who had come over for chai. And the day before, I said, I will make it. And there was a time when making chai would be my me time. So I had practice. Now it's been too many months that I hadn't done
Made.
it. And then I was like, okay, fine, you know what? I need to get back to that because it felt really nice to do it. And I really messed it up the day before. So yesterday when the same friend came, she's like, "Hum saath mein banate hain chai."
See?
So I'm like, okay, cool, I get it. But that's, for me, that's the thing, that somebody else is making chai for you is a love language for me. So a lot of my friends, girls, guys, whoever want to and like to make chai have come, and I have opened my kitchen for them and said, please, I will be happy to sit and drink it. So
But how many times is the question?
But I
She
just
has-
want to say she suggested coffee, cold coffee.
I'm
No,
picking
but
it up.
in
Anna,
her
I'm only going to open it.
no, in her house, she has an amazing like coffee machine.
Yeah.
So that's why. No other reason.
Yeah, so she knows for sure I'm not making
वो तो अच्छा ही बनाई.
But in the wow.
But imagine, yaar, matlab, and I understand. So I say this all the time. I said, इतनी बार तो मैं भी अपनी चाय नहीं पीऊंगी जितनी बार ये पी जाती है.
Have you ever lied to each other?
Lied?
Hmm?
No.
आज तो नहीं बोलोगे.
नहीं यार.
No, never.
But
never.
there was never a reason if we felt like about anything actually. And like I said, even if there's some work of ours that we've thought is average, it's not okay.
We've said
Hmm.
it.
But
Oh,
we
yeah?
said it.
Like
You
a
said it.
performance.
She's been part of things that I have said that I'm not the TG for it, but I watched it for you.
Yeah.
Kind of a thing. Or
Yeah.
like I said, she's literally picked up a phone on me and said, why have you done this? And I
Yeah.
said, I have to pay my EMIs.
And I'm like, okay,
I get it.
fine, fair. Also, I mean, I'll probably go to her and tell her about the lies I've told everyone else if I do end up doing that. But I don't think there's a reason to lie to her about anything.
How do you see this friendship when you are 50 years old? Paint a picture for me.
I mean, our plan is that when we're like 100 years old and we finally retired,
Mm-hmm.
we're gonna get a house up in the hills.
Mm-hmm.
And
Vishank is
100?
in on this plan.
Yeah,
I'm just
he's
letting
there.
you know.
He's agreed to it.
He gets to stay in the hills as well.
Yeah,
right?
he's allowed to.
Okay.
He,
okay.
he
He
comes.
can make us momos.
And chai, since we both suck at chai. So that is the plan. Where I know that eventually we're gonna chill and we're gonna be old, wrinkly grannies
Doing the same thing.
doing
I don't
exactly
think-
this. I don't think
Like,
anything
over the
changes.
last 10 years, I feel like I still feel the same admiration for her as I did on the first day, because I came from like this is why she's here and this is why we are together and doing this shoot. And then she continues to do amazing things in life. So I feel like that admiration has still not died, and I feel like that's still only going to grow. So I don't think it's going to be any
Yeah,
different than what
same.
it is.
I think at 50 though, I think we'll be both working only.
Of course.
We'll both be working, so life doesn't change much. But eventually,
But the trips would have happened, hopefully.
Oh my
yes,
God,
a lot of travel.
And another thing that I want to put on our collective bucket list is that thank God she writes.
Yeah.
So if she writes something for the both of
Both
us
of
to be
yeah.
part of.
Yeah.
That
That's
needs to-
another
yeah,
thing. Yeah.
That needs to happen.
That needs to happen. We need to be on a set together. I think it'll be fun.
That, yeah, nobody has cast us together. They've only cast us like in place of
Either her or her. That's okay.
So, yeah.
Hopefully soon though.
That's a sisterhood on set that's waiting to happen.
Yeah.
We will take credit for it when
Do
it
it.
does.
Do it.
Yes.
As long as it gets us on set together.
What is the moment that you've been most proud of? the other person for? Give me one really special
एक तो हो ही
moment.
नहीं सकता इनके बारे में, तो ये इतनी सारी चीजें कर लेती है, मिशेल ओबामा के साथ काम कर लेती है, यूएन रिप्रेजेंट करती है इंडिया को यूएन में, बुक लिख लेती है, फिर और एक लिख रही है, लाइक हाउ कैन यू स्टॉप, लाइक दिस, हाउ कैन आई से वन
One thing. Correct answer. So yeah, she checked all the. She's watching closely.
ऑफ कोर्स, हेलो.
I also overshare. I'm like, did you see this? I'm doing this. No, same. I think with work, honestly,
A performance that you really loved.
I remember loving Girl in the City because that was one of the first things I binge watched of hers. I loved Chopsticks. I love the. I'm always in awe of her for going so multilingual with her work. Like she's gone English, Hindi, Marathi, Telugu,
Yeah.
and
Tamil.
Tamil. I feel like I don't know how one does that because for me, as like every time I've seen her perform, for me it's always like, okay, it's how much of this was written and how much of it kind of came out in the performance. I don't know. But when you're doing a language that you don't speak, that you don't understand, you've not grown up with, how do you think eventually translate and then perform in a? I don't know. It's impossible. So I'm always in awe of her for that. But the one a personal thing I remember at one point, there was something that Mitz is kind of, I know, put a lot of time and a lot of herself in working upon. And I remember sometime last year, she actually went ahead and said that, okay, now I'm going to do this for me. And I thought, I've never been prouder of her because she is someone who will, matlab again, if she likes you, if she loves you, she's going to go above and beyond and out of her way to do things for her. And it's not always reciprocated. You sometimes get taken for granted. You're sometimes taken for a ride. But she will turn around and do it again for you. But I remember a very specific time where she was like, nope, I'm going to do this for me. And I was very, very proud of her for that. Work, I can't pick one, honestly. I cannot. There's so much. I haven't watched Happy Patel. I really want to, but I think that's the most unhinged she's been.
It's true.
I didn't think that she would be so unhinged in it. There's this one particular shot that's gone also viral
Yeah.
with you doing.
Yes.
I was like, how did they convince her to do this?
Somebody's made a sticker of it and sent it to me.
Can you send this to me? Because it's such a reaction to so many people I want to give. And I'm just like, it's amazing. I didn't think that she would go like that because otherwise Mitz is very like
Proper.
proper, very, very. So that was great.
It's true.
Yes,
Finally, I want you guys to leave me with complete the sentence. She's
Okay.
my ride or die because.
Because I don't know any other way.
yeah.
Like, I wouldn't imagine a life now without her.
Yeah. Because now I'm riding with her. The only thing left is dying. That also I think is going to happen with her only. So it's
Well
great.
done. See, she's the writer, guys.
You can buy my book on Amazon. There's also a hardbound version that's out now with a bonus chapter. Just
And while we're at it, because I didn't mention the work of hers that I have
You-
enjoyed.
oh,
No, I didn't mention like your acting work.
hmm.
Is her latest film, my most favorite
Kranti
so
Jyoti.
far. Kranti
Yes.
Jyoti Vidyalaya Marathi Madhyam. It's still in the theatres, guys. It's in the 9th week. So please go watch.
It's also on Z5
It's
now.
also on Z5. Plug.
This is a supportive friendship. If there was one, I gotta love it. Really, thank you so much
No, thank
for
you,
coming by
Shreya.
the studios because there's something I never tire of just listening to a good friendship and just more blessings.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you so
Thank
much for having us.
Thank you for coming by.
Hey everybody, I'm Prajakta
Hi, I'm Mithila.
and you're watching us on Hollywood Reporter India's show.
Ride or die. If you like this video,
Make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and then subscribe to Hollywood Reporter India.
love. Bye.